Whether you're hosting a property or looking to automate your own dwelling, the latest generation of smart home devices offer a range of versatile options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly practical and innovative gadgets for the home, which will not only keep the fire burning, but challenge the intellect. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. The ECOFLOW blade is a robotic lawn mower and leaf sweeper. If you're new to robotic mowers, they're designed to cut every day, so your lawn always has that just cut look. Since the mower needs to take off so little grass on each cut, it doesn't need a higher mass blade and leaves minimal cuttings. The power source is a 21.6-volt lithium-ion battery that recharges on a charging station pad that the mower automatically returns to. The battery has a total capacity of 296 watt-hours, giving the blade enough energy to consistently cover about 3/4 of an acre. The leaf sweeper is one thing that sets the blade apart. It attaches to the back of the unit and can pick up leaves and small twigs, making it a viable multi-season product. It's the world's first robotic mower to include this feature. The ECOFLOW blade uses an antenna and GPS for positioning information. However, you need to teach the mower where to go using the dedicated app. You'll manually control the mower on your phone to mark out the working areas, exclusion zones, and pathways. There are no guide or boundary wires to install. The ECOFLOW blade's design and performance are impressive, and the lawn sweeper kit is a fantastic innovation. The August Smart Lock Pro lets you ditch the keys and use your smartphone or your Apple Watch to unlock your door. And if you're coming home with your arms full, the August Smart Lock Pro can automatically unlock the door for you. The August modifies your existing deadbolt, so you don't have to rip out the whole latch. You'll just replace the inside part with the August lock mechanism, and voila, you can control your smart lock from your phone, allow guest access, and have the door lock and unlock automatically. It uses Bluetooth to connect with your phone when it's nearby, allowing it to automatically lock or unlock the door based on your proximity. There's also an August keypad available for those in need of additional functionality. Babysitters, dog walkers, house cleaners, or whatever other staff you're fancy enough to employ. The August Smart Lock Pro allows guest access. You can give specific people access on certain days or during specific timeframes. The included August Connect Wi-Fi bridge connects to the app, allowing you to receive notifications on your phone, anything door related. The August Smart Lock Pro is an excellent option if you want a smart door lock that lets you keep your existing keys and that works with a bunch of other smart home devices. Dive into the future of chess with the GOCHESS AI-driven chessboard. Play against opponents worldwide or AI with self-moving pieces and real-time coaching lights for an immersive and educational game experience. Under the board's polished surface lies a patent-pending robotic mechanism that moves the chess pieces, replicating your moves. Multiple pieces can also move at the same time, automating the chess setup process, restoring games, and setting up puzzles. One of the most impressive features of the GOCHESS AI-driven chessboard is its advanced voice control technology, allowing the player to move the pieces without touching them. Simply tell them where you want them to go. Featuring an advanced AI mode and 32 difficulty levels to match your skills, you can play against the machine. Alternatively, GOCHESS works with both Lichess and Chess.com platforms. You can play with anyone, anywhere. The built-in magnetic sensors track your moves as though you and your opponent are actually sitting together. The GOCHESS smart lights are designed to work like a wise chess mentor at your side. They illuminate, giving you expert advice and guidance throughout a game. The lights are color-coded and show you the best, worst, and other possible moves during a game. Regardless of your skill level, the GOCHESS AI-driven chessboard delivers a high-end, versatile, and educational game experience. SWITCHBOT Hub 2 is a smart home hub that supports old infrared appliances and can help make them smarter while also networking with cross-platform devices as well as the innovative ecosystem of SWITCHBOT solutions. The device itself, about the size of a deck of cards, is completely white, with a front panel that bears a white LED readout. Providing support for Matter, the new smart home communication standard, the SWITCHBOT Hub 2 provides a simple path to getting cross-platform devices connected and controlled. There is also support for Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings systems. The device's front panel includes a readout displaying the current temperature and humidity. The SWITCHBOT app lets you drill down into historical information, including data by day, week, month, or year. There is also an ambient light sensor and 2 touch-sensitive buttons that can be assigned as shortcuts to any manual scene you have set up within the SWITCHBOT app. Most curiously, the hub can operate as an infrared device, mimicking any IR remote or multiple remotes. Programming is simple. Just point your remote control at the hub, and it determines what possible devices can be matched. SWITCHBOT Hub 2 is both useful and meaningful, providing unique smart home networking and control. The BIOLITE FIREPIT Plus is able to create a virtually smoke-free burn for your campsite or backyard social gathering so that you can cook and stay warm without enduring that dreaded campfire smoke. BIOLITE uses a patented air circulation technology to achieve this, which it does through the combination of a rechargeable battery-powered fan and air jets that feed the air along the length of the fire pit. When in use, you can see the flames from all around the fire pit by virtue of what BIOLITE calls its X-ray mesh, which is a perforated metal body that allows heat to come out, warming people sitting on opposite sides. The fire pit can also be used to charge gadgets, such as your phone via the battery pack, which mounts on the side. On one charge, the battery will last up to 30 hours, assuming you use it on the low fan setting. For carrying longer distances as well as storage, an optional carry case is available, which can also help with carrying accessories such as the grill and USB charging cable. Ideal for the home or off-the-grid adventure, BIOLITE Smokeless FIREPIT Plus is an impressively designed heating and cooking solution which is part of BIOLITE's mission to solve bigger picture off-grid challenges faced by communities around the world. So guys, if you are looking for a home gadget, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to that ideal device. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.